Good day everyone, my name is William Wheeler Camodok, grade 6, gifted and talented group 1, and I'm going to experiment regarding decantation. Decantation is a technique used in separating a less dense substance from a denser one. And in this experiment, I'm going to use water and soil. First, we're going to pour water. Then we mix them together. Let's wait for a few hours. After a few hours, we will separate the water from the soil by using decantation. There are two ways to do that. First is by scooping. You use spoon to scoop the water. Second is by pouring the water slowly. And that's how you do the decantation. Thank you.